We're taking the soft tissue out of the teeth that were extracted. We are going to grind them, and this will be bone for bone grafting. You put this in, and then you put your teeth in here like this. And you lock it, right? And then you see how it's pulverizing it? You look at all the bone. So now we have the bone. Those are just a little, actually, you know what? We can grind a little more. Awesome. So we'll let that sit for a little bit.
For how long?
5 minutes. We're gonna dehydrate the bone. We're gonna dehydrate the bone. So I already used the red. Okay, we already dehydrated that, and now we have to go cover the graft completely with Dentine wash. Oh, that looks cool. Swirl it around. So I'm dehydrating the liquid from the bone with some gauze, and now it's ready to mix. So all of this will go in here now.